What's better, the e88 or the e99? Basically, the e88 and e99 has the same functions, but the designs are clearly different. And the e88 kinda looks like a DJI Mavic clone. The e99 doesn't even look like a DJI series. And second part is the e88 is a bit easier to break than the e99 because this has been crashed like 8 to 6 times and it just straight up broke. And the e99 has crashed like twice, or wait, no, only once. And it's not easy to break, and when we fixed the motor, just broke like only after one crash. It broke only one crash later. And this still in good condition. The e99 is good. And the camera difference is the e88's camera is way more glitchy and has 1040p to 1080p. And the e99 camera quality has a 1080p to 1090p camera quality. The e88 sounds like it's gonna fall apart, and the e99 doesn't sound much like it's gonna fall apart. The e88, even though the propeller is broken, and when it was fixed, it was still trash. But the e99, it's good, it's alright. But the one that you should get for drone practice is the e99 because the camera quality is less glitchy. And these two drones have the same functions. Dual camera, top and bottom. Dual camera, front and bottom. I just meant front, not top, sorry. And they both have prop guards. The e88 was missing a prop guard when I bought it, and the e99 has complete prop guards. I just set them aside so when I need them. And the camera quality, the battery, there's no such thing as a battery in there. There's no battery. See? And putting in the e88, turning on. And you can see the name Ghost, which I wrote. And the camera quality is that the lights just dimmed out. As the same day, it crashed only once. They both don't have gimbals, and the e88 needs the app. The both of these drones doesn't have an SD card. This you only like click it one time for long, and this so it turns on. The flight time of the e88 is a bit like 2 to 3 minutes, and the e99 is like 5 to 7 minutes. They both have flashing lights, blue and white, but just dimmed out. The e99 has a remote, the same as the e88. Like the batteries of the e88 is down. I'll show you the e88 that the batteries don't work. Wait. I think I still have batteries. Let's see. Whoopsie daisy. Let's search for batteries. Wait. There's batteries. I think I've run out of batteries. Wait, I should like borrow some from Money Bank. Money Bank. Yeah. And where's the screw? There it is. I'm just gonna put it. Oh, screwdriver doesn't even fit. Tag nabbit. Where is it? So I can't find it. So that means that I can't fly the e88 right now. Sorry, guys. So the one that you should buy is the e99. You can buy these both at Temu, TikTok Shop, Shopee, and Lazada, even Amazon and Wish or AliExpress. They both have the same functions, but this just broke. So the battery is low. There's no more batteries. The 3 batteries has died. I don't know. I'm not sure if there's like batteries. Oh, frick. Screwdriver fell. So like, I'm gonna might get the screws out. Wait, yeah, I can. Wait, I can't. I can't take out the batteries out of that to control this drone. What a bummer. Wait. Let's borrow the batteries from the e99 real quick. Let's see. You will see the flight time of the e88 and the e88. The e88 is broken, so can't fly. Needs a motor change. I said turn off the low. Okay, so taking the 3 batteries out. 1, 2, 3, and taking out the 3 double A's. 3 double A's. 1, 2. Tag nabbit 2 and 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, so got the batteries in the e88. Let's boot her up. You can already see the e88 is a terrible drone because the drone just like broke in just like 4 days. Yep, that's right, 4 whole days. So connected, and let's add calibration. Done. And tag nabbit. Okay, so connected. One of the propellers is not working. Like after just like 1 crash, just tag nabbit. So the best drone that you should get is the e99. I swear, e99